Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift card on Binance. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application. Then you need to tap on the profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once you tap on it, you will see the reward hub option here. So you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this reward hub page. Now over here, tap on the my voucher option, and here once you are on the my voucher option, in the top right hand corner you will see voucher code. So tap on it, and here in this section you will have to basically enter the gift card code or the voucher code that you have. So after entering it, you will have to simply press claim voucher, and this way you will be able to redeem your gift cards on Binance. Now you need to remember that once you have claimed your voucher, it won't be reversed, and you can only see your claimed history of the past 6 months. So you will have to keep these things in mind. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.